pay attention to what our minds are whispering. In our fast-paced, information-saturated world, our minds are constantly at work, much like a computer's processor. Without a break, the system can freeze or slow down. But what if we told you that just a few minutes a day can reset your entire being? It's not just a possibility, it's a vital necessity. The story of a journey, not to a distant land, but into the deep of your own mind. Advice from meditation-experienced ancestors. Specialist meditation teachers often recommend that beginners start with just 15-30 minutes of practice. The advice may sound so simple, but it's backed by profound scientific reasoning. You might wonder, why not sit for longer when I'm so determined? The answer is simple: to prevent your mind from becoming bored or stressed, which would make the practice feel like a chore. The brains with two supervisors. To understand this, let's look at your brain. Think of it as having two supervisors: the prefrontal cortex, or the rational brain, which manages your thoughts and consciousness, and the amygdala, or the emotional brain, which reacts to your environment. When you begin to meditate, both of these supervisors work hard to manage distractions and mental chatter. A long session can fatigue the brain, leading to negative feelings like boredom or discomfort. These negative feelings inhibit the release of dopamine, the brain's happy chemical. This tells your brain that the practice is unpleasant, making you less likely to do it again. However, a short, smooth session that feels good activates the reward circuit in your brain, releasing just the right amount of dopamine. This creates a positive association, making you want to practice again. This is the power of positive reinforcement, which is essential for building good habits. Neuroplasticity and the habit loop. This concept is also rooted in the principle of neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to adapt and change. Research by Sarah Lazar at Harvard Medical School found that people who meditate regularly, even for short periods, can increase the amount of gray matter in brain regions related to mindfulness and attention control. This proves that your brain can evolve and get stronger, just like a muscle. This also aligns with Charles Duhigg's habit loop, which consists of 3 steps. 1. Cue, a trigger, such as meditating at the same time each day. 2. Routine, the practice of meditation itself. 3. Reward, the feeling of calm or ease you gain from a short session. Starting with a short duration helps you establish this cycle steadily. Therefore, practicing for just 15-30 minutes as a beginner isn't too little time. It's the right way to begin. It prevents mental and physical exhaustion and helps you build a bridge from the "I must do this" to the "I want to do this" feeling. The most important thing isn't the length of your practice, but its continuity. It's like putting money in a piggy bank every day. Even small deposits will one day grow into a huge sum you never expected. I invite you to try taking these small steps on this journey. You may find that the greatest journey, and you'll never found on a map, but you can find the most beautiful destination in your own mind.